This is a full 2022 renovation with Miami Modern Edge. Chef's kitchen, glass countertop, smart home with audio and Lutron lighting. This is not what you pictured when you pulled up the drive. I live in Central Beach and I've seen every house on these streets. The outside of 774 Azalea Lane looks like a typical beach home, but the inside will surprise you. And it's built for how people actually live. Tesla's solar roof with 3 Powerwalls. This house runs on near zero energy bills. The HVAC is new and there's a dual EV charger in the drive. The fenced yard has a putting green. Yep, a putting green. A spa and room for a pool, which means you'll never want to leave. But when you do, you're just 2 blocks to the beach, an easy walk to shopping, dining at local favorites, or listening to live music on the ocean. Nobody expected Miami Modern just 2 blocks from the sand. I'm Kathleen Pogany with the Reynolds team. Let me show you what it's really like to live here.